Hi, my name is Junior Barrett. I'm the Global Infotainment Manager at General Motors. We're here in Austin at Chaotic Moon Studios.
Start by explaining the role Chaotic Moon Studios played in your latest infotainment endeavor.
What Chaotic Moon did for us is they actually helped us build a developer community. They were our advisors to let us know what's important to the whole developer community and what's important for us to reach out and drive awareness to our portal at developer.gm.com. So what was cool about it was, we were new to the space. They were actually, very seasoned in the entire ecosystem of app development. So they were able to share knowledge with us and actually took us on the road and to show us what's very important and what's valuable to developers.
When it comes to apps, talk a little about what you guys are looking for in terms of the infotainment apps that we'll be seeing as the new 4G LTE technology rolls out.
What we're looking for is we're looking for apps that will enhance the driver experience. We're looking for apps that will take advantage of the vehicle APIs that exist today, APIs that we've opened up like fuel, speed, GPS, vehicle diagnostics, and use those into an app to make the driving experience better. For example, let's just say a radio app that will make a call to the fuel API and then make you aware that your fuel is low and there's a gas station 5 miles away. That's the type of stuff that will make it better, make the whole driving experience better.
How do you guys utilize South by Southwest and hackathons to find inspiration for new apps?
South by Southwest to us is a great opportunity to actually connect with developers, to make them aware that there is also another platform, which is the vehicle for them to build for. What we're doing here at South by Southwest, we're even having what we call a lounge, a developer lounge, allowing our key developer here to train people that are interested in building apps for us, to show them what the nuances of building apps for cars, because it's a little bit different than building for a smartphone. Things like driver distraction and security, he will teach them how to do that. So that's kind of what we're bringing here at South by Southwest, and we'll try to take it on. And then the hackathon that we're looking at, and we have a couple of concepts that we're looking to do, apps that will make the whole driving experience better with a passenger and a driver. And we're looking to see if we can get a real compelling idea out of this hackathon and ultimately see in the car one day.
Is there anything you can compare this jump to 4G LTE technology in cars to when you look back over the years of advances in car technology?
I think that 4G is truly a game changer. I remember when OnStar started 17 years ago, it was a game changer, the first telematic solution. I think 4G is going to be just that. 4G to us is the first step of true vehicle connectivity. It's the first step of true seamless interaction with the vehicle for seamless experience. So think about a world now with 4G, you no longer need to be tethering phones or anything at all because the vehicle is hot. Think about being in a car and you have something to do for work. You pull over and you can just connect to the Wi-Fi and seamlessly send your email to work. That's something that's very pressing. So that's what 4G is going to do. And then that's just phase one. And the longer term, it's the vehicle itself is connected. The vehicle itself has information. So I think this is just unlimited. It's truly a game changer for the industry.
What impact do you see this having when you have more and more connected vehicles out there on the road and they can connect to one another?
I think that's a great idea. A great concept, and it's one of the things we're looking at. It's the ability for vehicles to connect with each other to say, here's what it is. So, for example, one of the hackathons we did came up with a winning app off a caravanning mode, whereby what it did was two people are going on a vacation trip together, driving together. One of the vehicles pulled over at the rest stop, so it would just send a signal back to the other vehicle to say, hey, I'm at exit 142 at the McDonald's at the rest stop. So then that easily can see where the person is, so they know exactly where that person is and the commute, and they can enjoy and share the experience. If there's something that they can pull over and say, hey, I'm at Overlook Pass 122, you could see where the car is and pull over there and share the experience. So there's so much stuff that this whole connected car can do for the industry.
What does a connected car open up for the people out there that are video gamers sitting in the passenger seats and back seats?
So rear seat entertainment is also another new area for us to think about. It's what can you do in that rear seat and the passenger seat that you've never been able to do. Wi-Fi will give us some experiences, but I think there's even a little bit more to do. I can't really discuss some of the concepts we have with regard to rear seat, but it's going to be greater than just, hey, I'm bringing in my iPad and just connecting to Netflix. It's going to be greater than that. It's going to be more than likely better content for the driving experience and for people to share while they're in the back seat of the car.
Specifically video games, what do you see that opening up for that field?
That is something that we've spoken to a couple of companies on that, and they're looking at that. There's a couple of concepts they've had that we're working through as well. Can't really say right now, but I think you'd be quite surprised at some of the stuff that we looked at.